Hello and welcome to MultiTeach. I'd like to show you what is new in NUITEQ Snowflake MultiTeach 4.11. The first thing I'll show is the search filter added to the Lessons app interface, making it easy to search for hundreds of free lessons from the MultiTeach Lessons community. Open Snowflake MultiTeach and launch Lessons from the Tools category, where you can see some of the new features that have been added. To search for lessons from the MultiTeach Lessons community site from within the Lessons app interface, click on the Community Lessons icon located at the top of the second column. Here you can search for lessons according to age group, subject, lesson type, and the country where the lesson was created. Here are just a few examples of the range of lessons currently available from the MultiTeach Lessons community. Note, you will need to register for a free account with the MultiTeach Lessons community at mtlc.nuiteq.com in order to access lessons if you have not previously done so. If this is your first time accessing the online MultiTeach Lessons community through Snowflake MultiTeach, selecting the Community Lessons icon will bring up a pop-up where you can enter your email address and password or request a new password if yours is forgotten. If you are signed into the MultiTeach Lessons community, you will see a green dot and text in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Here you have the option of signing out of the MultiTeach Lessons community at the end of your session. For example, if you are a teacher using a computer that is used by others. Another way to search lessons from the online community is to enter a keyword in the search box at the top of the third column. By selecting the green download icon in the middle of the lesson's thumbnail, you can download the lesson directly into the interface. In this case, I selected the settings icon to open the lesson in the preview screen, where it can be customized if needed. Then I selected Play for full screen interaction. You can also use the Lists feature to organize your own lessons. You can create lists by subject matter, age group, day of the week, and so forth. Then drag the lessons into the corresponding categories. Additional information about using Lesson App Interface features can be found on the NUITEQ Support Wiki. Arrange is a lesson type that is new for Snowflake MultiTeach 4.11. The Arrange lesson type provides teachers and students with a flexible way to present and interact with a wide range of content and concepts. Arrange can be used with younger children to reinforce sequential learning, such as following routines, getting dressed, making a sandwich, eating an apple. It is also good for previewing and reviewing the schedule of daily classroom activities. For older students, Arrange is good for ordering the sequence of historical events, outlining events of a storyline from a book using pictures or icons. The Arrange app can also be used to demonstrate the sequence of steps required to solve more complex mathematical problems. In this example, I imported a previously created Arrange lesson from my desktop by selecting the Import Lesson button located in the left column on the screen. Select the Create New Lesson button if you'd like to make a new lesson as an option. This will lead you to the Edit Content interface. Here you can add or edit any content. Select Play to interact with the lesson in full screen mode. Nodes is a new MultiTeach app that was added to Snowflake MultiTeach 4.11. It is a brainstorming and concept mapping tool that can be used by students working individually or in groups. It is also good for brainstorming and planning work for teachers, working individually or with colleagues. Another new feature in Snowflake MultiTeach is support for file transfer over a network to other Snowflake Business or Snowflake MultiTeach users. For example, you can send digital content over the network to other computers running media, presenter, stage, or PDF. In this example, I'll open up Presenter from the main Snowflake MultiTeach interface, and then open up Zones. Here, you select Digital Content, which places the picture on the screen. Select an option from the icon located at the bottom right of the picture. Two choices are provided: Send and Annotate. Select Send, and you will see other computers on your network that have MultiTeach open. You can send the picture from one screen to the other by selecting Local Host. In the right-hand Presenter zone, it will say, "You have received content." If you receive content from someone using MultiTeach on another computer, the process is the same. The received picture will show up in the content tray. Simply drag it to the main area of the Presenter screen. You can then return to Zones and select Full Screen. With Snowflake MultiTeach 4.11, the on-screen keyboard has been updated to provide special characters that can be used when entering text for different languages. Hit Ctrl or Alt to add the different characters. This is helpful when doing searches or entering in text within a lesson app. This has been a summary of the new features in NUITEQ's Snowflake MultiTeach. The addition of a search filter for accessing lessons from the MultiTeach Lessons community for direct import into Snowflake, the addition of the Arrange lesson type to the suite of lesson apps, the addition of the Nodes application to the MultiTeach applications, support for transferring files over a network, and the support for special characters for the on-screen keyboard. Additional information about using Snowflake MultiTeach features can be found in other tutorials located on the NUITEQ Support Wiki.